Good morning everyone, welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today we got this 2019 Honda Odyssey, and we had a case study for this car. Actually I got a couple of video for this car regarding with this Evap code, because it's been a while. There's an Evap code that keep on coming back. So history of this car, we already replaced the fuel sending sensor or fuel pressure sensor. Also the bent solenoid. You can check it on my videos. And right now, let's go check the code. Still, Evap large leak, small leak, large leak. And Evap is stuck close. Sorry for the glare. So those are the codes, and we decided to just replace the whole Evap canister. So we bought it from eBay. Over here, it's from eBay, so everything is included. Everything is included. So the sensor right there, also the bent solenoid right there. So just straightforward. Just gonna, remove the old one and put this one, and let's see if this code will go away. So like I said before, we already replaced the fuel pressure sensor and also the bent solenoid, and it didn't fix the problem. So for the diagnostic part, just searched on my videos. I did some diagnostic video for this car, and that's why we ended replacing the bent solenoid and also the fuel pressure sensor. So check that out. But as for now, we're just gonna replace the Evap canister. And also just want to show you what this would look like. It look like this. Hold on. This, it says emission problem. There you go, emission system problem, check engine light on. So that's how it look like. Alright, let's replace the Evap canister. So location of your Evap canister is over here. You can go at the rear of your car, and there you go, in between those two rear tire right there. That's your canister. So there were like, I think 3 bolts that need to remove. So over here, so that's 2 number 10 bolts, and over here just one over here, and we need to remove a couple of wires. So no, over here, let's go. One wire over here. So that's for your bent solenoid. So, and over here some hoses. Hold on, let me it's really hard for me to film. I'm holding flashlight and I'm holding the camera. So how I'm gonna, hold on, let me try like this. Alright, perfect. Now let me try it by one hand. Try this. I don't know. Oh shit. So I'm pressing this. Oh boy, I need. You know what? I don't know if I can do it with one hand. Let me put this over here. I don't know if you could see it. By two hand. Hold on. Let me get my tools. Alright. I don't know if you could see it, so I'll be using this. So pinch those plastic thing. Then try to wiggle it. Oh, it's kind of tricky. It's kind of tricky. Okay. Come on. It's not that. Okay. So just try to press this and then just wiggle it. Oh, there you go. Whew. It's off. Just force it. You see that? And also there's and this one. For this one, I think you gotta press. I don't know if you could see it. Again, sorry for. It's really tough for me to film it. Just doing my best to film it. Okay, press this, and then there you go. Oh, perfect, nice. And then there's wire in here. There you go. This wire. Okay. All right. Okay. Now let's remove the number 10. Number 10. My eyes. See that? Perfect. Alright. I hope I catch all those. I don't know. Hopefully. Alright, then there were like 2 more in here. Oh man, it's gonna be hard for me. But anyway, just remove those 2. Right. Okay. I don't know if you see it. So we're gonna remove those 2 both in here. Last one. Alright. Guess that's it. We can remove canister. Alright. Also, there's a hose in here that you need to remove right there. It's connected over there. I think we can remove it from there. Right, so this is your old canister. Let me just check if there's a crack on it. It's hard to tell, but anyway, give me a few minutes. I'm just gonna examine this. Alright, so I did check this one. I couldn't find any cracks. So we're just gonna put the one from Evap. So again, everything is in there. So I'm not gonna transfer. Bin solenoid, that sensor. So let's just put this on the box. Then let's put this on. By the way, I won't be able to show you this when I'm installing it because it's gonna be hard for me because I need my two hands. So I'm just gonna show you when it's already installed. Alright, so I already installed the used one from Evap. Everything is connected, hoses, sensor. Alright, so let's start the car and let's see, clear the code, and hopefully it won't come back anymore. Alright, let's start the car. Check engine light is still there. Let's go. So ignition system problem. Alright, so let's just clear the code. Then let's run the car and let's see if it will come back. So it's already cleared. Sweet. Hold on. Clear code. Why? Okay. What's wrong with this? Okay. I think the car doesn't like to clear code. You know what? Let's put it on position. It doesn't. Okay. So it's on position. So let's clear the code. So again, we still have this code, large leak, and then the last one, this one, then solid stuck close. So we just clear it. Perfect. Then report. So everything is normal now. So you have to put it on position. Not car is running. So it won't clear it. Some cars are like that, like this Honda Odyssey. But some car, even though it's running, you can still clear the code. Okay, let's test drive the car. So after a couple of minutes of driving, the check engine light on didn't come back. So it seems like it's already fixed. So for now, there's a big chance car is already fixed. So there you go. That's how you replace an Evap canister for 2019 Honda Odyssey. So if you had any question on this video, please comment down below and consider likes and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.